Hey guys, if you're looking for the perfect boat for Tampa Bay, the Swiss Army knife from Boston Whaler, the 280 Dauntless. This boat can do inshore, offshore, and everything in between. 2025 model year with only 44 hours. Come hop on board and let's take a look at my favorite features. You'll see we're stationary right now, being held in place by our 10-foot power pole blade. As we step down here towards the cockpit area, you're gonna notice you have an awesome casting platform back here, but with flip-up seating, as well as a live well just adjacent. As we move a bit forward, you're gonna see a large side door for all your boating needs when you're at the sandbar, getting on and off the boat. It's a perfect place to help the dogs get up, things like that. And you'll see them in shade right now. We have an electric SureShade, which is covering us right now. And with the reversible helm chair, it creates an awesome entertaining zone back here. And you stay completely covered by the SureShade when at rest. As you move up to the helm here, you're gonna see a large Simrad MFD. So this is gonna have all your navigation, bottom finding, as well as gonna incorporate digital switching for your lighting, SureShade, etc. As well as you're gonna see your Mercury data and controls for your stereo. Down below that, you're gonna see your standard rocker switches for the items you use all the time, like your live well, navigation anchor light, floodlights, etc. Just adjacent there is gonna be your Mercury controls, as well as your trim tab controls here. As you move forward, we have a nice size head down below here, but we have this awesome entertaining space out forward. We have a large chase lounge here. We have forward-facing seating with backrests, as well as you have a insert here that serves the casting platform, as well as it doubles as your table, which we have the stanchion stored down below here. Forward, we're gonna have a forward boarding ladder, as well as a windlass anchor, and a motor guide trolling motor, which incorporates spot lock and your remote control for when you're trolling the flats. This boat also has a manual sunshade for the bow, so when you're sitting at the sandbar, you can keep this boat completely covered. All right, guys, again, my name is Josh Anarelli, standing on the 2025 Boston Whaler 280 Dauntless. This boat is available by MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Give me a call, 727-366-5980, and I look forward to getting you on the water soon.